All right, team, let's get this final section installed.
Roger that.
Grab the next piece.
All right, time to secure this load. Oh!
Looking good, Captain.
All done. Cargo secured.
All right, just gotta get this engine warmed up. Why does it always do that? All right, team, let's get those steel beams sorted.
Copy that, boss. Moving on it. Grab that end, E.
Nice work, everyone. All right, watch the placement.
Got it. Looks stable.
Check the plans, we need one more. Affirmative.
Oh no! That's a disaster! Don't worry, Captain. I'll get you across. I think I have a plan.
We've got a bridge down. Report the damage. Sticks are everywhere. I see a way across on the far side.
Look out, cracks.
The bridge is breaking.
Everyone back away. It's not safe.
Crew, this is Captain Trucker. We have a bridge down. Need immediate assistance.
Copy, Captain. We're on our way.
All right, men, let's assess the damage. We need a plan.
I've got this. Wait. Oh.
The current is too strong there, but we need to secure this section first. I have an idea. We can reinforce the supports. Yes, that's it. Let's do it.
Clear the area. Watch the cables.
Okay, right there. Get a good grip. Whip.
Got it. Lifting now.
Nice work. Bring it on over here.
The blue truck is in position. Lower the hook.
Got it. Watch the load. It's heavy.
Move it out. Clear the zone.
Down slowly. Watch out for that pile.
The concrete mixer has arrived,
Ready to start pouring.
guiding it into position.
Okay, lower the hook. Got it. Connecting the beam now.
Hoist it up. Slowly.
Watch the clearance. Positioning over the truck.
Lower it down.
Keep it coming.
Got it.
Watch the debris.
All right, team. The bulldozer is moving.
Hook is secured. Lifting the dump truck now.
Excavator clearing the concrete. Make way for the red truck.
All right, hook's secure.
Lifting the dump truck now.
Measure that gap. Looks unstable.
The mixer is ready. Start Roger that. Pouring now.
Over here next. Yeah. On it. Okay, hook it up.
Got it.
Now, slowly, lift it. Okay, team, lift the truck slowly.
Roger that. Raising the boom.
Careful with that debris, excavator. Watch out, bulldozer moving in. All right, crew, lift it slow. Roger that.
Moving the panel into position now.
Watch the clearance on the far side.
All right, over here. Lower it down slowly. Looking good. Perfect. We did it.
Yes, we did it.
All right, bring it over here.
Gravel's here. Tipping now.
Perfect. Ready for the next block. The bolts are completely sheared here. All right, make a note of it. We'll need the excavator to clear this out first.
Okay, here we go, team. Let's test this carefully. Perfect. Take it a bit further. Got it. Step by step. Oh no, it's really broken.
Careful, Captain Trucker.
Just need to clear this debris. What if we can't fix it?
All clear to lower. Lowering the truck now. Wheels are down. Confirmed. We have a solid contact.
Keep going, you're almost there.
Careful with that beam.
Lower it down now.
Keep it steady, watching the cable. Almost there. All right, secure it. Let's look at the bridge now.
All right, team, let's get Captain Trucker A to safety. Affirmative.
Lifting now.
Slow and steady. Perfect.
Touchdown. Mission accomplished.
Hooray!
All right, Captain Trucker B, just a little further. Steady, steady. Hook is attached. Preparing to lift. Lifting now. Take it slow.
Team, we need to secure this beam now. Copy that, Captain.
The bridge is complete. Bring the equipment across.
Copy that. Moving the truck now.
Watch the clearance. Great job.
All right, Captain Trucker, the bridge is ready. Initiate the test.
Roger that. Approaching the new bridge.
I hope this bridge holds.
Seems steady, Cap.
Just need this debris moved safely.
All right, truck, you are cleared across.
Roger that. Moving across the bridge.
Excavator, move that pile. Truck is coming over.
All right, team, the bridge is out. Let's get this done. Roger that, Captain. Lifting now. Digging in, Captain. Rescue and repair is underway. Keep it steady. Looking good. We're almost there. All right, great job, everyone. Keep it steady. Looking good. Slow down, driver. Mind the edge. On track. Watch for the excavator. Keep it steady, Captain Trucker A. Looking good, buddy. Almost across. Well done, team.
Keep it steady, Trucker B.
Bridge is holding great.
Oh, Captain, stop. You've reached the bridge's crack. We can't go any further.
vehicles have crossed.
Bridge is stable.
Rescue mission successful.
Excellent job, everyone! This bridge is finally complete! Let's celebrate! To the new bridge! Honk honk! Hooray! We did it! Hooray! Look at Captain Trucker! Honk honk! We finished the bridge!
The bridge is complete.
Excellent work!
Looks sturdy. Now the truck can cross.
Welcome to the new bridge!
Look at our work.
Rescue and repair complete.